Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to delete Instagram account permanently in Android mobile. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So for that you need to enter into your Instagram account and then your profile. At the top right corner, please click three line icon. So once you enter into the three line icon, you need to scroll down and find the account center, and then on the account center you need to click your profile, and then you need to enter into account ownership and control. Over there you need to select deactivation or deletion and your account. Once again, over here you need temporary deactivation, you need to enable the deactivate account, and you need to delete your account, you need to enable delete account. And once you enabled your delete account, please click continue to delete the Instagram account. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.